Good day to each and everyone. My name is Christine May Paloma J. Batulan and my topic is all about the fundamental skills. So first, we will discuss the footwork. Footwork. Your opponent will do his best to direct every shot away from you, and the only way for you to reach the shuttlecock is for you to have a good footwork. Badminton footwork is the most fundamental skills that you must have in order for you to get better in your game. Good footwork is simply having the ability to contact the shuttle early with stability. Almost always, your racket hand and racket foot should go together as you execute the shot. So dapat is magaling ka sa footwork para bawat tira ng kalaban is makukuha mo ito agad-agad. Dahil pag meron kang footwork is meron kang alertness na mahabol yung tira ng iyong kalaban. And also, meron kang balance sa iyong paa at katawan. Bend your knees a little with your feet shoulder width apart. Position your racket up in front of you as you put your weight on the balls of your feet. You should be in this ready position in the center of the mid area. If the shuttlecock is directed to your front court, execute the V front by taking a small step, first followed by a lunge with your racket leg to reach the shuttlecock. So the timing of shot will be improved if you land with the racket leg simultaneously with the shot. If the shuttlecock is directed to your mid-court, execute the defense side by extending your racket leg to reach the shuttlecock that is hit towards your racket side. Extend your racket leg and rotate your hips and shoulders to reach shuttlecock that is hit towards your non-racket side, making a backhand stroke, especially for those shots that are considerable far. If the shuttlecock is directed to your back court, execute the V back by rotating your hips and shoulders and move backward far enough so that you stay behind the falling shuttlecock. This way, you will have more options with your shots. If you are too slow in going to the correct area, you are most likely to respond with a weak shot. Then, after mo tumira, try mo bumalik sa base. Alertness and your ability to react quickly are major weapons if you want to improve your game. Grip. A correct badminton grip is the groundwork of playing badminton. Your strokes, power, and accuracy will greatly suffer if you hold your racket wrongly. Your shot will be limited and you will have less chances of winning. Therefore, a correct grip is a must. Furthermore, you will need to learn how to change grip very quickly during the rally. So ito ay importante lalo na kung paghawak mo ng racket is mali dahil mapupunta sa ibang direksyon yung tira na kailangan na mapunta sa iyong kalaban. So first, sa forehand grip, hold the handle of your racket hand as if you were shaking hands with it. So sabi dito no, yung paghawak daw ng racket is parang nagsishake hands lang kayo ng racket. At dito naman sa backhand grip, hold the racket like that of a forehand grip and then turn the racket counterclockwise so that the V-shape move leftwards. So sabi dito is yung paghawak mo sa racket is kagaya din sa paghawak mo sa forehand grip and then turn the racket counterclockwise para yung V-shape is ma-move leftwards. Pangalawa sa forehand grip, make a V-shape in between your thumb and your index finger. So, sabi dito is gumawa ka ng V-shape gamit ang thumb and index finger. Pangalawa sa backhand grip, hold the racket handle loosely in your finger for greater flexibility, placing your thumb against the back bevel of the handle for greater leverage and power. So, sabi dito is yung paghawak daw sa handle ng racket is maluwag para magkaroon ng flexibility and yung thumb mo daw is i-against mo sa back level of the handle para magkaroon ng power. So, dito naman sa forehand grip sa pangatlo, hold the racket handle loosely in your fingers to greater flexibility. So, sabi dito is yung paghawak daw sa handle ng racket is maluwag para magkaroon ng flexibility. So, sa pangatlo, sa backhand grip, shorten your grip by placing it nearer to the shaft for better control and accuracy when serving and attacking from the forecourt and midcourt. Lengthen your grip by placing it near the boat and the racket for power shots, especially at the backcourt. So, sabi dito kapag nagsiserve at umaatake mula sa forecourt at midcourt, ay kailangan paikliin ang paghawak ng grip ng mas malapit sa shaft. Pag backcourt naman is pahabain ang pagkahawak sa pamamagitan ng paglalagay nito malapit sa boat ng racket. So, dito sa pang-apat sa forehand grip, shorten your grip by placing it nearer to the shaft for better control and accuracy when serving and attacking from the forecourt and midcourt. Lengthen your grip by placing it near the end of the handle racket for power shots, especially at the backcourt. So, sabi dito, pag forecourt and midcourt ka titira, paikliin ang iyong grip na mas malapit sa shaft. Pag sa backcourt naman, dapat pahabain ang iyong paghawak nito malapit sa dulo ng handle racket para sa mga power shot. So, sa pang-apat sa backhand grip, use this grip to hit shots that are on the non-racket side of your body. So, dito, gamitin ang grip na ito para matamaan ang mga shot na nasa non-racket side ng iyong katawan. So, dito sa panghuli sa forehand grip, use this grip to hit shots that are on the racket side of your body and around the head shots. So, sabi dito, gamitin ang grip upang matamaan ang mga shot na nasa racket side ng iyong katawan at around the head shot.